Welcome to your new home. This beautiful model features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a total square footage of living space at 1,410 square feet. This beautiful kitchen features many cabinet spaces, stainless steel appliances, and look at that beautiful hood range over that stove. Not only does this kitchen have amazing cabinet space, but this is just one of 4 color options that you can choose from when customizing your manufactured home. Any home that you order through MH Elite Homes comes with these beautiful stainless steel appliances you see here in the kitchen. The appliances that come with any manufactured home are this beautiful stainless steel stove. Over here you've got your stainless steel dishwasher and your beautiful double-doored stainless steel refrigerator. Not only does this dining room provide enclosed personal space and great natural lighting, it also has 2 entrances from the living space and kitchen. MH Elite Services is the only place in Arizona where you can find full turnkey services, from purchasing your home, transporting it, and full installation. Don't have land? We can help you with that too. When you choose to work with MH Elite Services, you're getting one team for full service, leaving you hassle-free.